Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, call upon me and I will respond to you. Think about that promise. The creator of the universe, the one who controls the sky, the ocean, the future, your risk and your problem. He is telling you directly, ask me, but here is the question. How many times we actually stop and truly ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Most night we are fall asleep and tired. We scroll our phone, we watch video, and we say, I will make dua tomorrow. Tomorrow keep moving further away. Now imagine this moment. It is late at the night and the world is quiet. Most people are asleep. The darkness is covering everything. No audience, no showing, and no one watching you. Just Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This moment before Fajr is one of the most special time in the entire night. The Prophet ﷺ said that during the last part of the night that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling you. Is there anyone is asking for forgiveness so I may forgive them? Is there anyone asking for help so I may help them? Is there anyone asking for something so I may give it? Subhanallah. Think about this invitation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking by Himself to ask Him. But many of us are sleeping, not because we are too bad, but because we forget how powerful these moments are. Before Fajr arrive, there is a one simple action that can change your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even if it is only a few minutes, you don't need a long speech, you don't need a perfect Arabic, you don't need a beautiful voice, just sincerity. Talk with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala like a servant who knows that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is listening. Tell him about your worry. Tell him about your mistake that you are regret. Tell him about the dream you are afraid to share with anyone else. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is already know everything, but He love when His servant turn back to Him. And here is something many people forget. Dua is not only for a big problem. Some people only pray when life become difficult, when money become tight, and when sickness affair, when the heart break. But the believer make dua in every situation, when they are happy, when they are scared, and when they are confused. Because dua is not only asking, it is a connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a conversation with the one who created you. Now let me ask you another honest question. What is the one thing in your life feel impossible right now? Maybe it is a financial problem. Maybe it's a family issue. Maybe you feel lost about your future. Maybe you are fighting a sin that you cannot leave. You try so many times. You promise yourself so many times. But the struggle continues. That's why the moment before Fajr is so powerful. Because at this time, your heart is softer, your mind is calm, and your dua become more sincere. No distraction, just honesty. Many Greek scholars in the fast to say at the night fast used to say that the night the heart wake up, people acting strong. During the day, people acting strong. But at the night when his servants stand alone in prayer, tears come easier, the word become real, and the connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala becomes stronger. Maybe you cannot pray longer. Maybe you are feel tired, and maybe you are not used to wake up at the night. That's okay. Even 2 rak'ah of prayer can be powerful. Even a few minute dua can open the door you never imagined. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not measure the effort the way we do. He look at the sincerity and He look at the heart. Sometimes a small act done with sincerity is more valuable done without a focus. So before Fajr come tonight, try something simple. Turn the distraction, stand off and face the direction of prayer and speak with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ask Him to forgive you, ask Him to guide you, and ask Him to fix what feel broken in your life, and ask Him to bring your heart closer to Him. You might not see the answer immediately, but something will change. Maybe your mind feel calm. Maybe the problem you are worried about will slowly start to find a solution. Because when the servant turns sincerity, another chance to fix the mistake, another chance to strengthen your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So tonight before Fajr arrive, don't miss this opportunity. Raise your hand and speak subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hear every word you are saying. If this reminder touch your heart, write Ameen in the comment and share in the comment what is the one dua that you are making. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this reminder with someone who else can remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tonight, Allah will reward you. Jazakumullah khair.